Hello guys. Welcome back to my weight loss channel. In this videos we will be dealing with the topics that finally analyze the perfect weight loss sugery. In case you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more informative weight loss videos here. Let's get started. While bariatric surgery can offer many benefits, all forms of weight loss surgery are major procedures that can pose serious risks and side effects. Also, you must make permanent healthy changes to your diet and get regular exercise to help ensure the long-term success of bariatric surgery. Why it's done. Bariatric surgery is done to help you lose excess weight and reduce your risk of potentially life-threatening weight-related health problems, including heart disease and stroke, high blood pressure, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, or non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, sleep apnea, type 2 diabetes. Bariatric surgery is typically done only after you've tried to lose weight by improving your diet and exercise habits. Who it's for. In general, bariatric surgery could be an option for you if your body mass index, BMI, is 40 or higher, called extreme obesity. Your BMI is 35 to 39.9, called obesity, and you have a serious weight-related health problem, such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure or severe sleep apnea. In some cases, you may qualify for certain types of weight loss surgery if your BMI is 30 to 34 and you have serious weight-related health problems. Bariatric surgery isn't for everyone who is severely overweight. You may need to meet certain medical guidelines to qualify for weight loss surgery. You likely will have an extensive screening process to see if you qualify. You must also be willing to make permanent changes to lead a healthier lifestyle. You may be required to participate in long-term follow-up plans that include monitoring your nutrition, your lifestyle and behavior, and your medical conditions. And keep in mind that bariatric surgery is expensive. Check with your health insurance plan or your regional Medicare or Medicaid office to find out if your policy covers such surgery. Request an appointment. Risks. As with any major procedure, bariatric surgery poses potential health risks, both in the short term and the long term. Risks associated with the surgical procedure can include excessive bleeding, infection, adverse reactions to anesthesia, blood clots, lung or breathing problems, leaks in your gastrointestinal system, rarely, death. Longer-term risks and complications of weight loss surgery vary depending on the type of surgery. They can include bowel obstruction, dumping syndrome, which leads to diarrhea, flushing, lightheadedness, nausea or vomiting, gallstones, hernias, low blood sugar, called hypoglycemia, malnutrition, ulcers, vomiting, acid reflux, the need for a second, or revision, surgery or procedure. Rarely, death. How you prepare. If you qualify for bariatric surgery, your healthcare team gives you instructions on how to prepare for your specific type of surgery. You may need to have various lab tests and exams before surgery. You may have restrictions on eating and drinking and which medications you can take. You may be required to start a physical activity program and to stop any tobacco use. You may also need to prepare by planning ahead for your recovery after surgery. For instance, arrange for help at home if you think you'll need it. If you find this video informative and helpful, kindly thumb up to like, subscribe and click the notification button for more videos about weight loss. Thanks for watching.